In this video, I'm going to show you how to work an sk2po, which is a decrease, a double decrease. So a decrease that takes 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and turns them into 1. The resulting look of the decrease is almost like a tent or an angle or an arrow, like a pointing upwards. So that's the sk2po. It subtracts 2 stitches from your count and leaves you with this really cool looking angle. Almost looks like the Eiffel Tower. You're going to work up to the spot in the pattern that calls for the sk2po, and we're going to slip a stitch like we're knitting it. So I'll show you that again. My needle goes into this stitch as though I'm about to knit it and moves it over to my right hand side. Then I'm going to knit these 2 stitches together, the next 2. And then finally, I'm going to pass over the slipped stitch, just like a bind off. So I'm going to knit one more in between, and now I'll show you English style. It's the same thing, but with my right hand. We're going to sk2po. So S is for slip, K2 is for knit 2 together. So I've done, of my sk2po, I've done S and K2, knit 2 together, and then I'm going to PO, pass over that slipped stitch, just like a bind off. And the result is that I've subtracted 2 stitches, and I have this angular look to my fabric. So I'll show you one more. Slip a stitch knitwise, knit 2 together, and then pass the slipped stitch over the knit 2 together and off the needle to decrease 2. Happy knitting!